Tanda kehormatan bintang jasa pratama diberikan Presiden ke Presiden FIFA Gianni Infantino Jumat siang di Istana Negara. Gianni Infantino dianggap berjasa memajukan dan memperbaiki persepak bolaan tanah air usai tragedi Kanjuruhan. Selepas diberi tanda kehormatan, Gianni Infantino menyebut FIFA berkomitmen untuk membantu memajukan persepak bolaan tanah air.
And Indonesia is a football country, a football-loving country, and to receive this distinction, this award, is an honor and an emotion for me, for FIFA, for football to grow the game and to make sure that Indonesia will be in future one of the leading countries of football, not only in Southeast Asia, but in the whole of Asia and in the whole of